top side. Twisted brown and black go to the searchlight. Okay. Twisted brown and black to searchlight. Now that we know we have power, let's take this one. I will probably, yeah, you know what? I'm going to mark this. I think I got the label machine out here. I think I do. So let's put a label on this. Yeah, here it is. I really hate wasting these on this, but it's not a waste if it helps somebody figure out what the hell they're doing. And I'm still waiting for Amazon. This is starting to pee me off a bit. Okay, brown black search. Cap lock on, cap lock on. Okay. Back, I believe it was January, I ordered Darlene a new laptop, HP, which I normally don't order HP, but this one looked okay. The specs looked pretty good, and they're still out there, so they got to be okay. I mean, this is my reasoning behind it. And I said, you know what? Okay, so I ordered it. It was $500. I mean, it wasn't the cheapest, but it wasn't, you know, an expensive one. But it had everything plus more that she was going to need. It also had a touchscreen, which I wasn't aware of, and it had. Oh, it doesn't have a battery. There's no place for a battery. It doesn't take a battery. So that I didn't care for too much. But she doesn't carry it around. She, you know, the thing is though, if she wanted to unplug it to bring it to another location to finish working on it, the computer's going to shut down on her, which is kind of stupid. But meanwhile, the warranty on this thing through the seller, as a new piece, was up on February 10th. Well, February 7th, it started acting up with the screen. The fonts and things started flickering and pixelating and things like that. So I get a hold of Amazon on the 8th and went through this whole thing with her, you know, and the whole routine. And at this point she says, okay, not a problem. I said, well, should I order another computer now? She goes, well, why don't you wait? She says, and Amazon will get back to you, you know, within a couple of days. So just look for our email. Still haven't got it. And this is March 7th. So we're talking a month. Now I'm hoping that this person I was speaking to, which I think she did, she was from the Philippines, and I find them to be pretty darn useful, helpful, polite, you know, and kind of know what's going on over there. So now that 10-day or that 10th of February thing is up with the seller, this was put in on the 8th. it should still be honored. Now I'm hoping that this person put everything in there, um, and let's just hope that everything's there, because the warranty with the seller is over, and I've got a $500 computer here that doesn't work. So, what do we do? At least somebody get back to me and say, send it to so and so. I mean, I'm not getting any response at all. And I can't even find my coffee cup. Now wait a minute. That is cause for one. Here. All right, I can calm down now. I'm addicted to coffee. Don't want to put it up there. All right, so let's see. I'm looking if there's anything else I need to print out before I print it, because if so, I want to print it now. Otherwise, you waste inch and a half on both sides every time you print a new print. If I print it with the same one, I just put 2 or 3 spaces between it, and I save. So what's this other one now? Where's this one go? Okay, this looks like an easy one. Let's take the red one again, if I can find it. Where did you go? Is this you? Yeah. Let's put the red one here. Okay. The black one is hooked up. So the red and black, which are 2 different ones, right here, twisted pair, run the nav lights, the port and starboard. Now I can also add the what you call it to that, oh yeah, I remember, the one in the back of the boat. Yeah, that's the one. Alright, so this and that one is that. So let me get the cheat so I can write it down in the text notes. I can now find the pen. Oh, here it is. Okay, so we're twisted red and black nav lights. Now there's a small twisted pair as well. It's red and black. Okay, I gotta make a note down here. Most well, I guess I can't even spell. Most small twisted pairs yeah, someday I'll learn how to spell pairs. Are eyes servo. Okay. And this pen is starting to work. People. I go through a lot of pens in the wintertime because they tend to freeze up. Okay, so that was that one, and there should be a red one, so let's check that before. There's the green. Let's find the red one. Waiting on the cover over here, so gotta move things around here to find it. Okay, the red one's working. Okay, so all 3 of the top lights are working. Good. Okay. So let me add that. Alright. So what do I have over here? I have what? The searchlight. So now, yeah, the black and brown of the search. So now we can do the red and the black. That should be enough to get started. Let's see. The brown, the black, the search, light, red, black, nav, red, green, white. Now see, here's what I mean. See how much space it eats up on both sides? So we're looking at close to 2 inches, inch and a half, 2 inches of tape. Now between the searchlight and red, I got maybe a ½ inch tops because I just put a couple of spaces in there. So I saved a lot of room. I do believe I did anyway. However, I used up a lot of room because I'm using large fonts. Okay, and then I got to figure out where the hell I'm going to put them. I was going to wrap them around the wire, but that's going to be a bit of a problem. Now, do I just want to put them in there? These are the eyes, so I can't put them on this. These go up and down. But I want them so that they can see the wiring on this thing. I'm wondering maybe I should just print it out and just put a paper up in there, a sheet. Because if I do this, I'm going to pinch the, I'll show you what my plan was. But the more I think about it, this tape is not going to be the way to go either. My plan was take the wire and just put this over it. You follow me? Like that. Then now it's on the wire, but it's too much. And if I make the font small enough, it may be too small. Alright, I'm just going to do this on the computer. And then what I'll do is I'll print it out on a paper. And then I will laminate the paper and seal the paper. And at the same token, I can save a lot of my ink or my tape, which is actually not going to work that well because it's white on white. Well, it's a clear tape with white fonts being on a white, which is color. If it was white on black, white, if this was another color, it would be fine. But seeing that it's not going to work. So that's not going to happen. And I really don't want that much on there because that's going to get caught up on something. stuff like that, sometimes it's just not right. That's all there is to it. You know, I gotta say, okay, I wasted it. Then I have it get jammed on an eyebrow or something going up and down. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm writing it all down, so we're going to have it covered. I may even bring that little computer back over here real quick. If I can find a spot to plug it in. Yeah, put it over here. This is a little gateway. I more or less designated this for everything that I do with the Coast Guard. So seeing that Coastie is part of that, I guess I can put some of her work in here as well. My plan is anyway. I think that is on. Where's that at? I couldn't tell you now. Well, it should turn on anyway.